Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving lots of love to the channel. This is your bonus love messages for the month of April. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it help you out in some manner. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages. If you have not subscribed yet, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let me see what are the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius for the month of April? Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages for my Aquarius which I need to deliver. Luck is on your side. A new start is coming for you, Aquarius. New moon in Sagittarius. So beautiful message. Luck is on your side, okay? And a new start is coming for you. A new start can be anything, okay? New start in love, new start in career. So new start is coming for you. New beginnings are coming for you because luck is on your side, okay? What are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. Wow, see, a new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra. So a new romantic cycle is going to start here, Aquarius, okay? That means a new start in your love life. There is meditate and contemplate, new moon in Pisces. So you need to meditate here, Aquarius, okay? Your dreams need a practical plan, full moon in Taurus, and adjustments are required, okay? So there are some kind of adjustments which are required for you, but don't worry at all. The answers you need are coming for you. Full moon in Gemini, okay? The answers you are finding, the answers you are needing are coming for you. Beautiful messages. Any other message? A personal issue reaches resolution. Full moon in Cancer. So these are the messages from the Moonology deck, and the signs which you may be dealing with is Gemini, Cancer, Sagittarius, Libra, Pisces, and Taurus. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with, okay? Gemini, Cancer, Sagittarius, Libra, Pisces, and Taurus. Thank you so much, Moonology deck, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the animal spirit. What are the messages for Aquarius? So there is spider spirit, make your dreams real, okay? And there is koi fish spirit, there is always enough. Then there is dolphin spirit, this and that true. There is seahorse spirit, watch and wait. Any other message? Too many message. Any other message? Okay. There is antelope spirit, life is speeding up. And there is dove spirit, be peace. Okay. Be peace. Your life is speeding up. Okay. There is seahorse spirit and there is dolphin spirit. I told you this and that true. Watch and wait. There is koi fish spirit and there is spider spirit, make your dreams real. That was the same message, that your dreams need a practical plan, okay? So work on your dreams here, Aquarius. So these are the messages from animal spirits. Let's see what are the messages from the numerology deck. Creativity is the message which I am getting for you. Use your creativity, Aquarius. So now let's see what are the messages. Love. There is 6 number. Someone from the past is coming for you. Maybe right now you are looking right. You are getting lot of number synchronicities. Okay, you're getting lot of number synchronicities here. So there is someone from the past or the new love, okay? The love is coming for you, that is definitely which is coming for you. Engage yourself in more physical activity, so you can do some kind of like dance or play, okay, but do that thing. There is spend some time in nature here, okay. Do some kind of physical activity, Aquarius, and spend some time in nature, okay. There is some kind of completion which is happening in your life, and there is spiritual career. Many of you are having spiritual career which you are going to start. Bottom of the deck, I'm having change, okay. There is change which is coming for you, and see again the creativity, okay. So these are the messages which I'm getting for you, okay. The numbers which can be important for you are 7. Okay, the 7 number can be an important number for you, Aquarius, okay. So 7 number is an important number for you. So these are the messages from this numerology deck. Thank you, numerology deck, for giving the beautiful message. Let's see what is the message from self-care cards. Opportunity. Release your ties to the past. When you let go of the old, you make the room for the new. So opportunities are coming for you, Aquarius, in the love, but you need to release the old from your life, okay. Have faith. Faith grows when you act without knowing the end result. So keep your faith with you, Aquarius. One more message. I got 2 for you. Okay. There is clearing here. Clear the clutter. When you in doubt, throw it out, okay. So you need to do your clearing. And there is love. See, again the message is here, love. Let your love become a powerful force for change. So these are the messages from this deck. I love it. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see. Trust in the divine that they are working with you and they have the best plan for you, Aquarius. Let's see what are the message from the Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck. Wow. Wow. There is divine timing which is here, Aquarius, okay. Divine timing is taking place for you, and things will happen according to the divine timing. There is abundance which is coming for you at the divine timing, and there is kindred spirits, can you see, which are coming for you at the divine timing. Beautiful message, very beautiful message. Harmony, have faith, abundance and harmony is coming for you. Let me see one more message for Aquarius. Abundance and kindred spirit, okay. I'm not going to take these two, okay. So yes, I want only one. See, I told you, have faith, Aquarius. Keep your faith with you, Aquarius, okay. Harmony is coming for you, and there is lot of abundance is abundance and kindred spirit are coming in your life according to the divine timing. Divine timing is coming here. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from spell casting oracle deck for Aquarius. What are the messages for Aquarius for the month of April? What are the messages? Please give me the message for Aquarius which I need to deliver. Inspiration, love and commitment. See, beautiful, very beautiful. Bottom of the deck, I'm having transformation. You are going through a transformation period here, Aquarius. Inspiration. Now you are becoming inspiration for others, okay. Inspire others, Aquarius. And there is love which is coming for you. I told you, love yourself here. And there is commitment which is coming for you in love. Can you see how beautiful it is? Love and commitment is coming for you here. Now let me see more message for Aquarius. Any other message which I need to deliver? Any other message? Keep your strength with you, Aquarius, okay. Keep your strength with you. Wow. Wow. Have strength. here. Keep your strength with you. Reconciliation. This is why I was saying, wow, 1001 was the recording reading time. There is some kind of reconciliation which is happening in your life. Reconciliation is taking place. Commitment, love. There is beautiful energies which are coming for you, Aquarius. I love this reading. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the Quantum Oracle deck for Aquarius. Wow. What else you want, Aquarius? New beginnings, okay? New beginnings are coming for you. What are the messages for Aquarius? Keep your courage with you, okay? Have strength, have faith here. Do not get fear, okay? Get out of the fear energy. If you are feeling like fear, what will happen? No, everything is good, Aquarius. Keep your fear out of your life, okay? Have the energy of courage here. Then there is friends and colleagues. So your friends and colleagues are going to help you out in your life, and there is new friends and colleagues which are coming for you, okay? Fragmented energy here because of this fear energy, maybe, okay? So don't be in this fragmented energy here. There is a teacher which will help you out here, okay? So teacher is here. Wow, you will discover yourself, okay? You will discover yourself. Discovery is here. You want to discover yourself, and you will discover yourself. New connections, new supportive connections are coming for you. 1144 was the recording reading time. Bottom of the deck, I'm having commitment here again, okay? Commitment here. So commitment is coming for you here, Aquarius. This is beautiful, Aquarius. Wow, I love it. I love it. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the universe for Aquarius. It's not as if you need anyone, okay? It's not as if you need anyone. Pucker up, buttercup, okay? Being fair and reasonable will earn you respect and admiration, but being genuinely kind will make you a total love magnet. Go for a love magnet, Aquarius. Change is always good, okay? So change is coming for you, and you will find what you seek, okay? You will find what you seek. That's the message from the universe. Things are not as they appear, okay? Things are not as they right now appear. Things will be better for you, Aquarius. All there is to love has been there all along. When you begin to find love in people and places where you have not found it before, it's always because you have grown, okay? So these are the messages from the universe. Thank you, universe, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what is the message from the guides. Okay, what are the message? Okay. What are the messages for Aquarius? Please give me the messages for Aquarius. What are the messages? What are the messages? Any other message? Okay. So everyone has a value. Kindness counts. Okay. Kindness counts, Aquarius, and everyone has a value, and that's right. Everyone has a value. There is death is an illusion. Okay. So death is an illusion. Practice moderation. You try to eat healthy as much as you can, okay? Never judge any other one, okay? Never judge another. Let go of the ego, okay? You need to let go of the ego if you are having right now. Thoughts create your reality. Whatever you're thinking, that are going to manifest in your life. So thoughts create your reality. There is accept struggles as your lessons, okay? Accept your struggles as your lessons. Your beliefs are right for you, Aquarius. So these are the messages from your guides. Thank you, guides, for giving the messages. Let's add one affirmation Too many. Please give me one affirmation. Too many. Please give me one affirmation for Aquarius. See, too many. I want only one. One affirmation for Aquarius. Affirmation on love. Okay, I'll take two. They want me to take more than one. Okay, I'll take two. Perspective and receiving. Okay, you need to open up so that you can receive the blessings, the things which you need to you want in your life. So you need to open up yourself. So I open and allow myself to receive love in all ways from all directions. It may seem scary, but it is better than receiving audits, bad bugs, or hate mails. I receive love and it feels so good that I decide to receive it some more and then some more and maybe just a wee bit more. So you need to be open up so that you can receive the gifts, the love which you require in your life, Aquarius. That's the affirmation you need to take for yourself. There is perspective. What does a hawk see when it flies over your house beside the family of mice living nearby that you don't know about? What will your current problems, conflicts, complaint look like when you are 8 years old and you gaze back on your timeline of your life? In this moment, you are being given the gift of clear perspective, of knowing that in the end, everything is going to be probably much better than okay. Okay, think large enough and even big issues become small. Become an 8-year-old hawk and you are really onto something. So see the picture from a higher perspective, from a different perspective. That's the affirmation which I'm getting for you. Let's add some message from life. How to love yourself. Okay, how to love yourself. I allow myself to accept prosperity. Money is simply energy and an exchange of services. How much I have depend on what I believe I deserve. So this is the message I'm getting here. There is, with every breath I am taking, I'm getting healthier and healthier. My body is a mirror of my inner thoughts and beliefs. I nourish it with good food and healthy exercises. There is lifetime after lifetime. I am shining spirit, a beautiful light. I'm always safe. I'm eternal. I will go on forever from experience to experience. This is a very beautiful and powerful message for you. Then there is, I support myself in making the right choices for me. I'm incredibly capable. Whenever I encounter a challenge in my life, I use the experience to learn and grow. So these are the messages from this deck, how to love yourself. And this is very beautiful, Aquarius. So this was your bonus love messages for the month of April 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. Okay, sending you lots of healing, light, happiness wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.